B2C mobile platform to manage primary, secondary and tertiary sales. D2C platform to manage your direct sales to end consumers. Digitize all aspects of your sales operations including order management, digital payments, delivery tracking, field force management, asset management, sales analytics. Single platform for all stakeholders including customers, sales teams, and transporters. Highly scalable platform used by some of the largest brands across India. B2B primary order management. Customers can directly create and manage their orders. Sales team can also create and manage orders on behalf of customers. Flexible cutoff times for capturing orders can be set by route, supply location, product. App notifications and actionable alerts notify all concerned parties about order changes including sales dips. Sophisticated promo offers engine allows launch and monitoring of product promos for the set period. Configurable periodic billing, daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly options available based on customer categories. Customers can make digital payments using all standard modes of payments with automatic reconciliation of customer accounts. Digital copies of all customer invoices, incentives and other statements can be made available. Get and manage real-time feedback from your consumers. Distributor dashboard. Customers can directly create and manage their orders. Digital copies of all customer invoices, incentives, and other statements can be made available. Customers can make digital payments using all standard modes of payments with an automatic reconciliation of customer accounts. Customer can track delivery in real time. Secondary orders can automatically be consolidated at the distributor level with the provision to make further edits. Customers can provide direct feedback from the mobile app including the provision to send images. B2B secondary order management. Secondary customers, retailers, can use the mobile app directly to place their orders. The sales team can also create and manage orders on behalf of customers. Sophisticated promo offers engine allows launch and monitoring of product promos for retailers. Retailers can make digital payments using all standard modes of payments with an automatic reconciliation of customer accounts. Any assets allocated to the retailer can easily be viewed in the dashboard. D2C order management. Flexible subscription model including daily, alternate days, specific days for order taking. Support for prepaid wallet or postpaid payment model is available. Support for all modes of digital payments. Get and manage real-time feedback from your consumers. Field force management. Daily orders provides all features to empower your field sales team to manage both primary and secondary customer orders. Flexible multi-level sales hierarchy like areas, territories, zones can be configured to control access and reporting. Setup journey, beat plans covering field activities. A salesperson can get full visibility into orders, payments, and balances, deliveries, feedback of the customers that they have been assigned. Navigation support enhances field force effectiveness. Field salesperson's market activity includes time spent, productive calls, field notes that can easily be captured from the mobile app. Live tracking of field sales team movements is available and can help improve the efficiency of field deployments. Sales managers can easily track the attendance, distance traveled, travel claims, and productivity of their team members. Sales targets can be set and be tracked for the entire sales team. Primary customers management and order booking by sales teams. A salesperson can start market work and attendance gets tracked automatically. A salesperson can capture field notes and images at each location. A salesperson has complete access to all the assigned customers, including all their transactions. Consolidated summary view of all orders for all assigned customers with an option to add, edit orders. A summary view of all field activities for the day can easily be viewed on a single screen. DMS functionality allows sales teams to also manage secondary customers, retailers, and book their orders as well on the same platform. Enables a salesperson to visit retailers' map to him and record all field work including notes, images, and sales orders. Record orders from each retailer which can then be easily consolidated against map distributors. Visited retailers are clearly shown in a separate listing. A new retailer can easily be added in the app itself. All relevant information can be captured and the retailer will automatically be geotagged. Market summary screen provides a snapshot view of daily distance traveled, time spent, number of visits, orders, and sales booked by the field sales team member. Send email functionality allowing a sales team member to send a consolidated email of all the retailer orders booked by him to the distributor. The Travel Claims module allows sales teams to file their travel claim reimbursements directly from the mobile app, including submission of all related travel expense bills, tickets. My Team dashboard provides sales managers complete visibility into the attendance and field activities of their team members directly from the mobile app. Logistics and delivery management. Complete digitization of deliveries. Digital trip sheets allow you to go paperless. Record delivery of goods with an option for digital signature. Capture product returns, crates, and cash collections. Complete vehicle stock reconciliation. Track your delivery vehicles in real time. Sales manager can view sales office summary. Sales managers can get real-time visibility of all their delivery vehicles with just a few clicks in the mobile app. Real-time insights allow managers to make more effective decisions. Loading assistant can record loaded quantities from within the app. Record SKU-wise loaded quantities for each vehicle enables easy reconciliation of product stock across the distribution supply chain. Web interface. Live tracking of field activities including sales team and delivery vehicles. Master data management including customers, sales staff and roles, product catalog, promo configuration, delivery routes, transporter and vehicle mapping. Generate periodic billing, daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, for customers and transporters. Key reports across various activities can be viewed and downloaded. Analytic dashboards providing key sales insights. Mobile usage analytics. Order indent reports. Delivery tracking screens and reports. Field force management reports and live tracking. Manage customers, sales officers, routes. Manage products and offers. Ready to digitize your entire sales operations? Visit us at www.vashishtha.in to find out more.